Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can switch to public your Instagram account. Maybe you want your account on Instagram to switch on public but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can switch to public your account on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you will see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then from here, you'll see this three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then from here, select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, simply scroll down and you will see in here Account Privacy. And then in here, to switch to public, simply toggle this button to turn off. And as you can see in here, switch to public account, anyone can see your post, reels, stories, and use your original audio. This won't change, you can message, tag, or mention you. And people can remix your reels and download them as part of a remix. You can change this in settings. To continue, simply tap on the switch to public. And there you go, your account is now on public. There you go, if you wanted to know on how you can public your account on Instagram, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way on how you can switch to public your account on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.